Good morning, everyone. This is Urobo Bible Reading Platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 2, verse 22 to 23 in Urobo language. Obe ri Matthew uyovi roye ive awo roye uje bive rite uje gbera. Verse 22. Eke vovo rowo yone hakielus oria ve edia ri Herod ose roye osho rowo po oboyin demu ve woka re ogene wo via ke ve hewire ode po Galilee. Verse 23. Oda radia Lazarus rere uta re omlaro natari womnasa sene eke se ukwo ri Lazarus. Thank you from Simeon.